Welcome to Wedding Cakes For You YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you'll see how to create this look using fondant stripes over buttercream. I'll also include links to my tappets lettering tutorial and my gum paste fantasy flower video. To make these horizontal stripes, roll out a piece of fondant very thin. Use a roller to cut the pieces evenly and easily. Then roll the pieces for easier application. Starting at the bottom of the cake, roll out the piece onto the side of the cake. The moisture from the buttercream will hold the pieces on. I pieced mine together and then smoothed out the connection points. A tiny piece of fondant was placed to cover this imperfection. The next piece was placed on the top edge of the cake. Snip off any excess with scissors and then smooth it out. The third piece is placed in between the top and the bottom. The top tier is coated with a combination of gold glitter and sugar crystals. A simple shell border completes the cake edges, and this is a number 22 star with my favorite Italian meringue buttercream frosting. If you'd like a copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes and your questions answered about buttercream, click the link in the video to go to the Wedding Cakes For You website and download it, no obligation. This is a reverse scroll using that same tip. Check out my easy gum paste flower tutorial to see how to create these fantasy flowers with no wiring. And you can also see a tutorial on making these cool whimsical letters using tappets. Wedding Cakes For You website, books, and video provide aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherish memories. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.